In this video, I want to add some rocks in front of my boat and see what will happen when the boat hits those rocks. You see here I put some rocks. I can take one of them and let's take the position of player and put it for my rocks. I need to bring it more back. It came here. Let's bring it somehow forward and put it here. Play and see what will happen. Oh, my player passed the rock, and it's because there is no collider for the rock and I need add collider to that. I can take box collider for that. I can edit its collider also from here and change different size like this. Let's play again. You see, now my boat hits the rocks and stay behind that. I need to change a little bit collider of my boat and bring it a little bit forward. Let's show you to fix something very fast. I want to bring this cube out of player and call it player, and it's gonna make creating our game easier. As you see, it's somehow blue, and because we drag and drop the player from here to there, it's a prefab. It's connected to this one, and to remove that connection, I can right click and come to prefab and unpack completely that from the prefab. Let's bring it out of player and I can copy this component and paste it for this one. Paste component as new like this. It comes here and I can call it player and just delete this one. And you see it's here also, and great. To detect when something collides another thing, there is a function and its name is onCollisionInter, and it will call whenever our game object inter to another collider, and for that our game object need to have a collider and rigid body. Let's create another script for our player and see how this function will work, I can call the script player collision and just add and create it. Let's open it. I want to remove this line of code because I don't need to have the position for my player anymore, and just here clear this function. We don't need them anymore, and write on collision in their function here. I can print a message whenever my game object collides to another game object, like this, debug.log. And we will see how it works. You see, when it's collide to the rock, it prints this message. And the first message is for when our boat collide to the water. So 2 collision happened already. I want to print the name of the game object I am colliding to, like this. We can have access to the name of the game object and print it. You see, the first one is plane 2, and as you check in our river, it's this one which have collider, and the other one is rock 1. It's not very good to have only access to the name of the game object because, for example, we want to detect all rocks in front of our player and the name are different. To have something more efficient, we can group a few game objects like this. For example, put more rocks. Let's take the position. And by creating tag for our game object, I can group all my rock with the same tag, and I can call it rock So this one is rock, this one is also rock, and also this one. And in our script we can have access to its tag. Let's play our game again. You see, now it prints the name of the tag, which is rock. When we hit each rock, actually we lost the game. And we can detect when it happens and print you lost the game, and also it would be better to stop the player. To do so, we need to use if statement, and we can check if the name is equal to rock, and when it happens, we can print lost the game. And also I like to stop my player, and to do so I need to define an variable like this, and it can be Boolean, and the name can be win, and in the beginning it can be, let's call it lost. In the beginning it's false, and whenever we hit a rock, it can be true. And in move player, I can define player collision variable and call it player collision. And here I can have access to lost variable that I have created in player collision, and I can put it in an if statement and set when it's true. No, it's better to check when it's false, and we will add force to our player till the last variable is false, and when it's true this part of our code won't execute anymore. Now we can check how it works. I should put player collision here. Let's drag and drop this here. And let's see. How it works. When it hits the rock, our last variable become true and our player is stopped. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed your journey of creating your first game till now, and let's explore more in the next video. Have a great time.